Hi, to turn off your POCO X7, as a first step, let me show you a way how you can turn it off with the help of buttons. For that, take a look at the right side of your phone. Here you should see this small power button, this volume down button, and volume up. So you need to press and hold power button and volume up buttons at the same time till you could see this power off menu, and now you got two options, either power off the phone or reboot. To turn it off, you need to simply drag the slider up till the power off option and your phone would be turned off. Also, you can hold just the power button itself, but sometimes AI assistant can be opened, so just hold the power button itself or combination of power and volume up buttons. Now let me show you the second way with the help of which you can turn off your phone but without using buttons. And for that we need to open settings. Here we need to scroll down till the additional settings. After that, in the additional settings list, choose accessibility and go in the accessibility menu shortcut. So select menu shortcut and enable it by tapping on this switch here. Now you need to allow everything you see, and now this button appears on the screen, so you can immediately tap it and now you'll see this menu. Simply choose to power and now also swipe up to power off the phone. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.